Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nadex Signals. Well, today 13th July 2018 I got into a 2-hour trade, that is 5 AM to 7 AM trade. The market was set up really good for this setup, so I got into this trade at 5:39 AM. This contract expires at 7 AM, so another 53 minutes and 37 seconds remain. I bought this market. I took 10 positions at this place as I believed a lot in this position. So I got a price of $59 and the indicative price right now is at 1.31279. So at the end of 7 AM I just need the market to be above 1.3124 and I'll be making a profit of 100 minus 59 minus 2 for the Nadex fees, so $39 per contract into 10 contracts, so total of $390 I'm going to make on this trade. Well guys, the market set up itself in Australian dollar versus US dollar trade, so I took a trade right now at 6:25 AM expiry. This is a 5-minute contract, so I need the market to be below 0.7383. I sold the market, as you guys can see, at $36.25 and the market is going down right now in our favor. In the graph you can see I need the market to be below this line, so the market is below right now. So after 2 minutes, let's see what will happen. Well, I am also in this trade as I told before, another 36 minutes remaining, but the market is going below right now, below the strike price. According to my calculation, it should be above at the end of 7 AM. So let's see what happens. Well, it's in the border, see, it's on the strike price right now. Let's see what happens for that. Another 36 minutes remaining. So this one, 1 minute 26 seconds remaining. Well guys, as you guys can see, my signals are really good and I want to help you guys make money with this as well. I'm not doing any signals right now. I will open a website for it and start in a few days, but if you like it, you guys can comment below whether you like it and whether you would buy the signals. While GBP USD is going above, as you guys can see. So let's see what happens to the Australian dollar and USD dollar. We need the market to be below this line at the end of this expiry. Another 19 seconds remain. Well, see how beautifully the market is behaving, or how beautifully we have analyzed the market. Another 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. There you go guys. The market closed below and we made a profit as well. So I'll be back with another trade guys. Hang on. The guys welcome guys. The market set up itself again in the GBP USD market right now. So as you guys can see, I got into this trade 6:30 AM expiry. I buy the market. I want the market to be above 1.3123 at the end of 6:30 a.m. I got it at $76.75 price. So in the chart, let's see, we need the market to be above this line, guys. So the market right now is at here, so that's a good sign. Another 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining on the clock. So I'll be back when 30 seconds is remaining on the clock. Guys, another 40 seconds remaining on the clock. The market is trying to go opposite to the price, so let's see what will happen in this. There was a good support line here as well, so I believe the market will stay up, but oh god, another 8 seconds remaining. There you go, guys, there you go. See how beautifully the market went above the price and closed above this line. We wanted the market to close above this line, and it closed above this line, guys. So there you go. I was thinking that this would be a loss, and $76.75 to cover it. I should take another 2-3 trades, but there you go, guys. Because of the support line, the value came up. Okay, guys, I'll come back to you once I'm in another trade.